The World Council of Civil Engineers.
Hede ya kuhigurwo wa kigomano kia 30 kia matukuru ma waki kana engineering ari ni undu umwe na kanjo 18 ya maengineer thiothe mukawa-ini wa bururi-ini beach resort kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi rigathi gachagua ugite ati aria mekuruta mawira maya ni aria mahitukite.
I wish to declare the 30th Institution of Engineers of Kenya Annual International Convention and the 18th General Assembly of the World Council of Civil Engineers officially open.
In a private sector, particularly the ministries that we lead, including mine, that we hire professionals only on professional grounds.
Itemine ria kugitira wira wao, Gachagua ni amoritie kunyitanira na kuhamurithia aria matakinyanirie ikiro kuona nio marathukia kothi yao iria rabatara wigiririki munene murutire-ini wao wa wira na kuriongereire ati aki a Manyumba aria matakinyanirie ikiro nio maratuma gukorwo na nyumba nyingi irathi na mbere na kumomoka guku bururi-ini.
We lose people to collapsing buildings and substandard roads, mostly linked to unqualified or uncertified practitioners in the industry. This puts the reputation of the profession under question of a competency of members.
Gachagua ugite ati thirikari ni gathikite mitaratara mirumu niguo gutigirira ithenya aria maengineers 7,000 aria marabatarania guku bururi-ini ni ihurio.
We'll continue to deepen the collaboration with our development partners in enhancing local expertise in various ways as we seek to close the over 7,000 gap of engineers in the country.
Kuria kigina kia bilioni 628 na iria ciongereirwo gicunjĩ-ini kia 27.4 kigina-ini kiria kigathikirwo ministry ya githomo niguo giteithĩrĩria arutwo aria mari na taranda ya waki wa manyumba.
In our commitment to deliver reforms in the education sector, we allocated 27.4% of our national budget in the current financial year.
Oho Gachagua niongereire ati thirikari ni guthie na mbere na kurugamirira mathomo ma maengineers aria meguthie guthomera nja wa bururi niguo megwatire ugi urundumwe na guthundura maundu meru waki-ini wa manyumba.
Considering that engineering is one of the most expensive courses, we have revised the funding model for tertiary education to enable students from poor economic backgrounds access the course of their choice.
Gachagua kumagaretio ni minister wa farafara na ukui guku bururi-ini Kipchumba Murkomen, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya farafara hamwe na atongoria angi ministry-ini ya engineers. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Echtago Ng'endo wa Njogu.